Hello, dear OmniSlam users. This video provides a step-by-step guide to using the manual closed-loop function in OmniSLAM Mapper. So here's a point cloud. Let's take a look at the wall in this point cloud. It now shows clear stratification. Normally there would be a layer of walls. Then this corner should all coincide. But after we scan the project, the point cloud has been stratificated now. And this street lamp. You can take a look. There are two street lamps, which should be one. When we solve this situation, we will use manual closed loop function. So let's go back to Mapper software. This is our Mapper software. Then the first step is to open. Do not create. This needs to be emphasized to everyone. We do open. And then open our project location. Find our data. Select the index file here. Click to open. It takes a few seconds here. OK, then click Setting. Click on SLAM Setting. Then click Manual Setting. Click Manual Closed Loop Setting. And then this is the data window. We have two windows to choose the point clouds. In fact, both windows display the same data. We can choose the different position of point clouds through two windows. We choose the point cloud of the first window. We can see an area of red point clouds. Then we drag the bar of the second window to the end. Let's choose the last point cloud of the second window. In this situation, we can see the white point clouds show on the red ones. We do compare the white with the red to find the position of the stratification. Through this method, we can lock the wrong point cloud position. If we don't know where is the point cloud stratification, we need to try each data through the two windows. To find the position by matching one by one, then we click Match. Let's take a look at this area. The point cloud here is stratificated. At this time, we choose either method 1 or method 2. Both method 1 and method 2 are okay. We now choose method 1. The difference between method 1 and method 2 is that they're using the different algorithm to match two areas of point clouds. We click Match. In the window below, is now forming a matched effect. We can check it out. Has the stratification of the building's point clouds been resolved? Look at the data. The stratification has gone. We can see there's no stratification anymore. It proves that there is no problem with our point cloud after matching. So click Add. We have added a set of points. For now, we need to add more sets of point clouds. Because there's only one set, might not solve the problem. So we try to add more than 3 sets. Let's add another set now. Then we match again. Now, let's see the stratifications are all solved. Then add again. Select and select. Continue to match. Let's add again. OK, we've added 3 sets already. That after adding 3 sets of point clouds, we click Optimize. It takes a few seconds. We can see Optimize finished. Let's save the optimized result. Click Yes. Then click OK. We must continue process. Wait for the data process, which solves the problems better. So we must do the continue processing. And then there's another thing to emphasize to you. we have an import and export here. For example, we have continued to deal with it now. Then the result after processing. We found out the stratification problem has not been solved yet. They are still there. Then we need to advancedly export the datasheet for a copy. If we need to process the data again, we can input the copy through ELMI port. Therefore, it is important to save a copy for afterward process, and then we can start the operation again. The present operation is the correct order to do. And we'll show you the results after we processed. So the point clouds that you see right now is what we just processed by manual closed-loop function. Let's take a look at the stratification of this building. It's been completely erased, including this street lamp. He has become a completed street lamp. This is the operating methods of our manual closed-loop function.